Okay, video 33. We're going to continue with the spike. Or maybe even the bonus ball. This is what we're doing so far. And the spike doesn't normally come out this fast. I just have it set to come out all the time. So, we'll shoot it up. Shoot it up. There's the ball. Now we got to deal with the ball. Okay, and at this point we have an error, which I think we did not create that variable. So if we get into our scripts and our script variables, let's see here. Yeah, we didn't, I don't think we added any of the gun stuff yet. No. So I'm going to say global dot extra guns equal true or equal false, because we have no extra guns. I don't think we did we? I don't see it in here. Okay. And guns on. Let's make that one small case. Equals false. Global dot guns count. We got to keep track of how many guns are running at a time. Can't remember how many I produced. I think up to 9. Okay, there's our gun counts. That should work. Wait, why did I call it that? Hold on. Equals. I don't know why I did 1 plus. Okay, guns count equals 0. False, false, 0. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'm kind of a little lost right here. It's been a few days. Okay, so, but nothing's happened. It just did the little sparky thing. Okay, so now we got to make the guns count. Okay, so let's see. So when we, where's it at again? Bonus ball, run into ship. Run into the ship. We're going to get extra guns equals true guns equals true guns count plus equals 1. Okay, so that's all working right. Okay, I think to make this work, we're going to have to get into the ship fire. We're going to change this a little bit. I believe. Let's see if we can do this, work this out. Let's use a script. Script create bullets. And we're going to pass it a variable of global guns count. Okay. Now this stuff can be deleted. And we can copy this. All good? Yeah. So when it fires, it's going to call to another script. Script create bullets. Okay. Hopefully this works. Actually, we don't have to pass it. It's a global variable. I like passing variables and everything, but we don't have to pass that. That doesn't make any sense. Script create bullets. Okay, so in the ship fire, we changed it to create bullets. And let me start from scratch here. I'll have to start from complete scratch. Let's delete that. Okay, so in ship controls, I'm going to create a script. Did I save it? Nope. Script create bullets. Okay, let's save that. Open it back up. Okay, so I'm going to say bullet 1. I'm gonna create the bullets into an array. Equals instance create x y object bullet. Wait. Bullet. Okay. So it's always going to create the first one. That's always going to be created. So, and then I'm going to say with bullet 1 with okay. Direction equals object ship dot image angle plus 90. That's only because I have my graphics off by 90 degrees, which I think I covered this before. Okay, so I think in mine what I did was I created an extra bullet. Okay, so this one should work. So it's calling to this, so it should work exactly the same as it was working before. So let's see if that actually works. Okay, so yep, it does. Balls. Okay, so I'm going to create a second bullet. Actually, hold on. I gotta look into this real quick. I'm not sure why I did this, but I'm gonna stick to it at this point until I look into it farther. I have no idea why I did this, but I made a second bullet, which isn't that big of a deal. I'm not sure why I did this. I'm going to duplicate the first one. All the code should be pretty much the same. That's what's bugging me a little bit. Extra bullet. Okay, we'll call it extra bullet. As far as I can tell, it's the same exact bullet. I'm not sure why I made it to be an extra bullet, but okay, I'll keep the extra bullet for now. Okay, so let's get back into the create bullets. There's gotta be a reason for. So what I've done in here is I just did and once again, there's always better ways to do this crap, but if global.guns count is larger than or equal to 1, so it's 2, and we're gonna say bullet. And once again, I'm adding to the array of bullets equals instance create x y object for some reason, extra bullet. I'm sure I'll come across here why I did this. And then once again, we'll set its direction. And like I said, there's probably a better way to do this. I just kind of... This worked. So we'll put with bullet 2. We'll say 90 degrees. And you could just say 85 degrees. So it's 5 degrees off. Actually, let's make this one 95 degrees. And then if... If it's larger than or equal to 1... Okay, that should give you 2 bullets there. I add 2 bullets. So if you hit one of those balls, you get 2 extra bullets. That's what I had done. Not sure why this is an issue, but 3. Okay, we got an extra bullet. Bullet 3. And this one is going to be 85 degrees. So it's symmetrical. I'm really into symmetrical shit. Okay, let's see if that works. Just not sure why I wouldn't use the regular bullet. Okay, let's blow it up. Let's run it over. And there we are. Got 3 bullets. That's nice. Okay, that's working. Just don't understand why. We'll experiment with that in a little bit here. Okay, so I just grabbed the whole code there. And you can go up to as many bullets as you want, really. But I think I stopped at 9. Because we're also going to have a timer for how long the guns last. So if it's over 2, so you've hit over 2 balls, then we'll go bullet 4 and bullet 5. Oops. And this one, we're going to go to, just add another 5 to it. So it ends up being 100. And this one ends up being 80. Okay, so we got guns are larger than 2. And I'm just going to keep going here until I think, like I said, I think I went to 9. So we'll go 3, 4, 5. Okay, so where are we at? 1, 2. Okay, guns count equals 3. This one will be 6. This one will be 7. Maybe it went higher than that. I don't know. And we got to change these to 105 and 75. That's 4. That's 8. And 9. I thought this was where I stopped. And the spread will be 110 degrees and 70. Is that where I ended it? Oh, I guess I did do one more. Okay. Just in case. Just in case, because the chances of you ever getting this far is pretty limited. I mean, you can go on forever if you wanted to. So you had a complete spray all around your ship. 115 and is that right? 115 and 65. Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna say global dot gun count equals 5. So you can see exactly what it looks like instead of having to collect all the bullets, because it's really hard to get to that point if you can get it at all. Okay, that didn't work at all. They call it wrong? Oh, guns count. Let's try that. Okay, so that's my max bullets, which, like I said, you're never gonna get that, because we're gonna have a life, kind of like the life bar and the shield bar. It'll be a limited time, and each time it goes through, you lose, not all of them, but it'll reduce the gun count, which that's cool to have. You can make your game just do that. That'd be cool. Okay, so once again we got to start up the shield, or the bar, to reduce the count there. So that'll be in our game control, in our draw. So we'll say control code and call it the, what should I call it? I think we'll call it draw bullet bar. That's what's cool about programming. You can call it whatever you want. You're like God, you know? Okay, and you know what I'm just gonna do? Let's like it. The shield bar is probably more like it. So I'm gonna just grab all that code in the shield bar and edit that. But we need to change the names on these, and we're gonna have to create the globals. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna let this one go because I'm starting to run out of time. I know I got a few more minutes, but this may take some time. So we've copied the shield code into the bullet bar code, and next time we will fine-tune this and add the variables. Alright, so if you like my videos, subscribe or like or leave a comment. I've noticed there's not a whole lot of comments. I'm just starting out here, so hopefully you guys like this and I can move on and do some cooler stuff. I mean, this is kind of cool. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.